Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how to format the numbers. And after watching this tutorial, you will be able to know how to quickly format the numbers. Let's get into the video. So I have few numbers in those cells. So I will select those cells if I want to format those numbers. And from the Home tab, you can see this number section here. It's showing me the different formatting. The first one is this one. It's the currency formatting. So if I click Note on the side, it's showing the different currency. If I want to convert my numbers into sterling, euros, or dollars, so I can quickly do that if I click this one. So if I just unsqueeze from this column, so it will show the currency formatting has been applied. It's showing me in sterling form. Next one is percentage if I want to convert into percentage, and further one is comma style. So if, for example, if I just press Control Z to go back and my numbers in this format, so if I select this one and press comma here, so it will apply the comma style numbers. You can see it will count the 3 digits from the left hand side and apply comma afterwards. So this is the comma style. And the next one is if I want to increase or decrease the decimal. So for example, if I select here and want to increase decimal, press this one, it will increase decimal. And the next option is decrease decimal. If I click this one, it will decrease its decimal like this one. So if I again go back to normal style. Let's discuss some shortcut to format your numbers. So I will select all those cells, and if I want to convert into currency formatting in dollars or sterling, so the shortcut key is Alt H A N, and you can press enter for sterling. It will convert into sterling. Control Z to go back. Again, if I want to convert into comma style formatting, so I'll press Alt H K and it will convert those numbers into comma style. And next one is increase decimal. If I want to increase decimal of these numbers, I will press Alt H 0 and it will increase its decimal. If I want to decrease decimal, I will press Alt H 9. So it will increase the decimal from the right hand side. So this is how you can quickly format your numbers in Microsoft Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video.